Aura Credit Repair Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products were added to the description. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how Aura works, what you're actually paying for, and whether it's a good choice if your goal is to improve your credit profile. First, it's important to understand that Aura is not a traditional credit repair company that aggressively disputes items for you. Instead, it combines credit monitoring, identity theft protection, and financial safety tools into one platform, giving you visibility and control over your credit rather than doing everything on your behalf. One of Aura's core features is credit monitoring. It tracks your credit activity across major bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, depending on your plan, and provides real-time alerts when something changes. This includes new accounts, hard inquiries, or suspicious activity that could impact your score. You also get access to your credit score and detailed reports, which makes it easier to identify errors or negative items that may need attention. Where Aura really stands out is its all-in-one protection system. It includes identity theft monitoring, fraud alerts, and even financial account monitoring. If your personal information is exposed in a data breach or appears on the dark web, Aura notifies you immediately. In addition, it offers identity theft insurance and dedicated support specialists who help you recover your identity and finances if something goes wrong. This level of protection is a major advantage, especially for users concerned about both credit health and personal security. Another valuable feature is its digital security tools. Aura includes antivirus protection, a VPN for secure browsing, and password management, which help prevent your information from being compromised in the first place. This proactive approach is key because preventing fraud is often more effective than trying to fix credit damage after it happens. However, when it comes to actual credit repair, Aura's role is more supportive than active. It helps you monitor your credit, detect issues early, and understand what's affecting your score. But you'll still need to handle disputes yourself or use a dedicated credit repair service if you want hands-on assistance. In terms of usability, Aura is very beginner-friendly. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, and all your credit, identity, and security tools are centralized in one place, making it ideal for people who want simplicity without sacrificing features. Overall, Aura is best for users who want a complete financial and identity protection solution with strong credit monitoring included. If your priority is security, awareness, and preventing future issues, it's a solid option. But if you're specifically looking for done-for-you credit repair, Aura may not fully meet your expectations.